My have to give Sean Storm a round of applause. You are the true definition of a loyal soldier.
No, when you hear some big bad boy run off them mouth, some big pussy batty boy with girl.
Yeah, and I mean, Sir P said that out of his mouth. Say you and Mad Sus and Kartel are Batman. And I mean, so I don't understand why you throw around the term there loosely with somebody like me. You can't say that to me, Sean.
Some bad boy with girl mad make batty boy talk about them as a healer and a Martian. Go lick out your mother.
You, Sean, you never tell the people them yet. Say the girl where you love the most. You carry on Kartel and Kartel take her away.
That's how a real man do it. Boy, you talk on the care for buy my daughter a pair of panty.
Yo nation, we're back in the building with another episode. It's your boy AJ, and find you know see a Gaza business, a freeway business, and we're there. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, bing, you know me I say. Stick around, we'll be right back. Dance all I get mad again nation from the other day. Vybz Kartel by Sean Storm, a second hand vehicle. A lot of people mad, including myself, cause me never like how the vehicle look on the grams, you see me, I say, cause it did want wash and them thing there. But foota hype nah say not but the truth, because when foota hype see him just attack a truth nation. You see me, and me did say same thing too, but me never really talk about them thing upon the internet, cause you know say cause about this. But hear me, I say no man. The thing is right now, we're going to take a listen.
All like people, all of the real people them out there, have real people running the top of my morning, you see? So I see up a while ago and I see a couple messages where people text me. I say, Siva, no pay nobody no man. Listen to nobody I say. Them grudge you and Kartel. People, let me telling you something. You see the brother thing where you say I go with me and Kartel. Don't be fooling them. And no music, you know. Long before music in a party. I'm tired of telling them something here, you know, bro. The things them want to see Kartel do for me, enough for surprise, you know, bridging. Because long before music, me and Kartel have a overs, brother. You see, I'm telling you this already. The man used to go primary school. My mother used to sell a primary gate. The man used to buy things from my mother. My mother know the man. My mother know fee mother. My father know fee father. It a forward from far. You see it? Now, when you hear some big batty boy run off them mouth, some big suck pussy batty boy with girl mad. Some batty boy with girl mad, make batty boy talk about them as a healer and a Martian. Go lick out your mother, whether you're the yard or abroad. Big batty boy, some of uno who did one will live a prison and dead a prison. Go suck on the mother, all I wanna be a chat to no. Yo, me say go suck on the mother batty boy. Batty boy and batty girl. Wanna feel glad batty boy and batty girl say we there road and stop bad mind we. Stop bad mind. Yo, me say every talk when you talk pussy Kartel I go shame you know. As you know open the mouth the man I go shame you know. Batty boy no see nothing yet. You know chat about my van and me want that van the pussy. Suck out to the mother all I know where I chat about my van and I chat about Kartel. Batty boy and batty girl. You're not going to see another van next year, pussy. And then you're not going to see another blood clot car again before the year done. Batty boy and batty girl. And uno, we chat off in the mouth. You never buy on a friend a bicycle yet. People on a car friends, some on a batty boy and batty girl they are foreign for years. You never seen a barrel come back a yard yet, come get the killer them on the ends. Pussy, if you don't come here, the dog them want bite off on the head and spit it out and batty boy. And big batty girl and crosses, when you stop watch we. 13 years with their prison. 13 years with their prison. And we never see no batty boy, we never see no batty girl. We wait and we pray to God and God give we back the road. And God will bless you all angles. Stop watch you and go suck your mother youth. Go suck your mother girl. All who a chat, go suck on your mother and love we make we live. Suck on your mother. Love we make we live and go suck out to no matter.
Nation, the thing is, right now, them gonna get Sean Storm and the whole Gaza empire mad. Cause me don't tell them, you know, leave Gaza alone, you know, cause watch it, you know, can't really take all of them thing the way, you know, I say up on the car, them and think of myself to come here and say, well, me I get all the man them till January or February to get them hack right. Cause what's you know? Me understand where foota say, you know, me's a real Gaza fans and me not tell no lie. But the car should look better. Cause unless them drive it goes on some muddy or some rain did that fall or something. Me understand. But damn bro, that's how you're gonna deliver the car with brake dust all over the car. Me get with them and say, but yo, don't mess with the Gaza foota hype. Me I want to know all the whole things say Gaza soft or what where they got brother no calm down, the Gaza back full effect. Yo.
Are the true definition of a loyal soldier. See? That's why we there authenticate say you get better treatment. Now, the way Sean Sam come out today and how him talk, me never hear Sean Sam talk so strong yet. Me never hear Sean Sam voice so powerful yet. Alright, when him cuss the body with them and think today, it sound like a bounty killer me a ear. When the way you put in that voice note something there today, if you cuss me, cause you not call a name now. But me, you know, me not play hypocrite, me know me, ya talk. And you know what, honestly, me not even vex with you. Me not even vex with you because you is a loyal soldier. And it obvious say, the Dan tell you say, if you come talk now we there. And you play the role. Because me know you don't like the car. Zine, me know you hate the car. Me know you see say, a DJ not really rate you the right way. But you have to come say what you have to say because the Dan said. You even say in your own words. Remember we in December now, no? Remember say today our December how much? Basically half of the month gone already, you know. And you are saying in the same video say, we are going to see different car by next, as a matter of fact, by the end of the year. Zine, you are going to see new car. That mean, talking go on, meet the keep, and cartel and make you know say, I want to you. We'll get you a better car before the year done, man. Because I know the car never good in the first place. No, don't get me wrong, the car good for normal people. Come in this nation, I'm in this cartel neither. Who not make it look like me on a war? Me on a war? Who no can't angle the internet something if me on for war? Like have an internet back and forth and they can't win. Me just attack when me see. And me hear you say, oh, stop, watch man. Wait, nobody now watch your rude boy. I wanna put in a business on public platform. We never ask them to do no video and show no car. I wanna do that. So cartel now go program you to come speak out and go on like, you're the baddest man. I want voice note something. You could even do it and show your face because you know say it gonna show say action. Come on. You know foota hype when I talk to. Come on man. Chip cherry out now.
Nation, a bag of things are going in the dancehall scene in Jamaica right now. Right now, Jamaica is not even a normal place, yeah, man. But me still can understand what foota hype I say, as me I say, cause to normal people and everybody itself, wait, maybe the car went for a couple test drive, then I could say that. But you can see say the brake does step on the car. Then should I actually wash the car? And Vybz cartel me. Well, me don't tell me what I think in the comment box.
Yeah, the SUV a fat nini. You see me? One pretty. You know the mini. You see me? Yeah, man. No lie. I can't call your name, baby. Can't call your name. Yeah. Yeah, active man, you hear that? Yeah, one of the settings man, you see me? Printing in the mini, you see me?
Up to the time.
Nation World Boss by printing a mini, a new mini, you see me? When you go take a look on Vybz Cartel page and give foota more things to talk about it. So yo, Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share. It is me I say. Me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean? Until next time, guys. We out.